Back with some free game. Today, I will be breaking down a few ways you can make money work for you. But like always, before we get started, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Now, when it comes to making money, there are two main methods to it. The first method is earned income, which is trading time for an hourly wage or salary. That is what the traditional individual does to make money. Not only can earned income be the most time-consuming, but it can also be the most taxed income. A few examples would be working as a cashier, teacher, or waiter. The second method is investing your money into assets that produce income. In other words, putting your money in positions that can make you even more money. The second method is how you can create multiple income sources, build wealth, escape that 9-to-5 that you hate, increase both how much money you get paid and how often you get paid. But best of all, it can allow you to bring in passive income. Now, what's also great is that both methods can be done at the same time. One can be trading their time for an hourly wage or salary, all while investing a portion of those earnings into income-producing assets. But what assets should I invest in, you may ask? Here are a few of the many asset/side hustles that I invest in that allow me to put my money into positions that make me even more money. First would be the most common side hustle, dividend stocks and index funds. This is the most traditional way to put your money to work. You can invest in dividend stocks and index funds for passive capital gains and dividend payouts. Here you are simply buying stocks and index funds and waiting for them to increase in value and or pay dividends over time. Those who don't know, dividends are payouts a company pays you for simply holding their company stock. The payout can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. Payout amount and payout dates are company/stock dependent. When looking for the right dividend stocks, always research the history of the stock's growth and the company itself and make sure its leadership value aligns with yours. The second is real estate. Real estate investing is one of the most exciting and versatile side hustles on this list. You can invest in real estate by buying and holding or flipping property, doing wholesale real estate, and renting out and or buying REITs.
You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing in real estate. You can invest in REITs with as little as $1 or even use platforms like Fundrise and invest with as little as $500.
The third side hustle is vending machines. Vending machines are a very lucrative way to make your money work for you, and it is an underrated side hustle. Vending machines can be bought for $800 to $2,000 and earn you anywhere from $250 to $1,000 per month. So you can see how owning a couple of vending machines can become very lucrative. The vending machine side hustle is straightforward. Start with finding a high foot traffic location. This can be community centers, apartment complexes, sports facilities, libraries, and so on. The ideal foot traffic would be at least 35 full-time employees for an office building, at least 15 full-time employees and 70 customers for a retail location, at least 4 employees and 60 units for an apartment building, and at least 40 full-time employees for a warehouse. Once you have found a suitable location, you will want to ask for the manager or owner and present your offer to place a vending machine in their facility. Next, you will need to identify which kind of vending machine you want. Most of the time, your budget will determine this for you. An essential tip would be to make sure you purchase a vending machine that accepts credit and debit cards. This can increase your sales drastically. When looking for vending machines, you can find good ones on eBay and Amazon. You may also want to search for wholesale suppliers to buy the machine and equipment, like candymachines.com. Some suppliers will even restock the machines for you if needed. Much less work for you. Now, your profits from the vending machines will also depend on how much you are buying your goods for. When looking for snacks and or drinks for your vending machines, you can purchase food and drinks in bulk from Costco and or BJ's. and resell each item for $1 to $1.50. The fourth side hustle is social media. Now, social media is another underrated side hustle. Most people use social media to check in on their friends and favorite influencers and or upload a new post here and there. But what most people don't understand is that social media is a great place to start a side hustle / business. Now, you might not start thinking money with this method right away, but if you are investing in building and growing a brand on social media in the long run, you can bring in significant money. 7 ways you can monetize your Instagram page: selling ebooks, offering paid promotion, creating a product, selling courses, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and or offering an in-demand service. Now, the fifth side hustle on our list is cryptocurrency. This is one of my favorite side hustles on the list, simply because of how profitable it has been for me. When it comes to cryptocurrency, you must understand that we are in a digital world, meaning sooner or later, we probably will see digital money replace physical money. Some could argue that we already are. Now, am I saying that cryptocurrency will be that digital currency that replaces the dollar? No, but could it be? Yes. However, just like all investing, I would never invest anything that I am not willing to lose, especially with cryptocurrency. Some of the top holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Chainlink. Now that wraps it up for this week's video. Let me know in the comments section which of these 5 side hustles you are interested in, and if you have already started any. I hope that you find this week's video valuable. And again, if you are new to the channel and are interested in more, please subscribe below and smash that like button. See you next week.